concept na tong vlog na to is the luxury things that I got in States. Which is the LPU Cavite. I'm just gonna get my also, if you guys want to know more about all the things that I got from States, like mostly luxury bag, just keep on. Hello everyone, hey people. So this is actually the first time that I'm gonna use this mic from DJI. This is the first mic na nakuha ko or binili ko from DJI. I'm so happy with this purchase. And for context, the reason why I'm doing this is that I wanted to make a haul but in a different way. So while I'm doing sharing with you guys my gun-ups, I'm also doing my haul in these luxury things na nakuha ko or binili ko. I mean, yeah, binili ko siya, wala naman nagbigay sa akin. And yeah, lahat ng binili ko na luxury things is actually yung time na nasa States pa ako. And yeah, I work hard for it. I know there's a lot of things going on here in the Philippines and I can't wait to share it to you guys, like lahat ng meron ako. So this is actually my first ever Christian Dior na nabili ko. And yeah, it's a bag. Actually, if I'm wrong, I saw this from David Gison but in a different color. I think yung color ng Dior niya na ganito is cream. Yeah. But this one, I got it in a different design. Here it is. It comes with a dash bag also. So this is the mini saddle Dior. Yeah. I hope I'm correct. But yeah. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko to na nakita ko kay David Gison. And sobrang perfect kasi naghahanap ako ng pwedeng i-regalo ko sa sarili ko and I got this as a birthday gift for myself. And never ko siya nagamit sa US, sa States. And yeah, going back sa agenda natin for today, I'm gonna have some errands lang. Also, it's Friday night, so as someone na na-miss yung night life here in the Philippines, or let's say, I don't know, I'm just gonna chill out in the city lang. I'm gonna meet my friends lang, or maybe if hindi sila available, usually kasi may mga work na din kasi yung mga friends ko. And let's see if mamimit ko yung friends ko later. So yeah, I'm gonna have some errands lang before I meet before ko sila i-meet, pero I messaged them already, so hopefully. Anyways, see you guys at the car. Hey people, so I'm actually here in H&M and for now I'm done with my errands and yeah, let's try some clothes lang. And yeah, and I would probably gonna go to a cafe, probably Harlan, just to finalize some things. Okay, I like this fit, but so when it comes to t-shirts, sobrang choosy ko when it comes to neckline. Kasi when it comes to here, minsan sobrang laki niya and hindi siya bagay sa akin. Okay, I like this one. But kailangan ko talaga mag-tipid right now. I don't know, so hindi ko siya. Sobrang ganda nung pero the only thing, sobrang ganda ng fit. Look. And isa din to, nakakainis. Ang ganda ng fit niya sa akin. And sobrang, it's kinda baggy din siya. So, ang tagal ko na naghahanap ng ganito. And look, pang errands lang, pero gagastos. Hey people, so it's a rainy Saturday morning and I really not feeling myself right now as I think sumasabay siya sa panahon, and especially whatever is going on here in the Philippines sa country natin. But still stay positive and stay safe. Hopefully we could still spread some kindness. Naka-hoodie lang ako, naka-jacket, and wala akong damit sa loob, short, very comfy. So yeah, we're just gonna go out, make myself so busy so hindi tayo mag-overthink or what. As what I've said, I'm gonna continue yung luxury haul here because I really wanted to share this bag, even though I was able to post it on my Instagram. If you guys follow me on my Instagram account, nakita nyo na to. But this is so special kasi this is my first ever luxury bag na nabili ko. Voila! This is Bottega Veneta cassette medium lambskin baseball bag. Baseball stitch pala. The time kasi nung naghahanap ako ng ganito, gusto ko ng unique. Kasi if I'm gonna buy a black one, parang hindi ko siya ma-appreciate as my first ever luxury bag kasi nga ang mahal. This bag is in silver hardware pala, and it's quite spacious, the same sa mga medium kasi siya, and yung design niya sa labas is the same sa loob. And there's only few pieces na release ni Bottega sa ganitong design. So I really wanted to buy something to lift me up, and flowers are one of the things na nakakatulong for me. I think that's one of my hobbies na pick up ko sa US, sa States, and gusto ko siyang dalhin here. Sorry guys. Guess what? Ito ko lang siya yung diba? Looks up. Then I'm wearing gray socks. Super nipis niya, kaya dinobla ko siya. So So, also my loafers. It's, I believe hinahalo siya. Like, you should. Okay, ganito muna yung buho ko. But, sorry for the quality. I wasn't able to go to Salcedo earlier kasi grabe yung ulan. So, good thing merong pop-up here sa Forbes again. Guys, sobrang ganda. This is only 350 pesos. And sobrang bait na may-ari kasi sabi niya, this is actually 350 for 10 pieces and meron silang local and imported na tinatawag. I'm not an expert pagdating sa mga ganun. So, sa pagkakaintindi ko, yung imported is like 5 yung equivalent sa local nila. This is the best flowers that I've got for myself. Let's normalize buying flowers even for guys. Kasi, I don't know, for me talaga, it really lifts up my mood. Especially right now. So, pinapili niya ako. Eh, nung nakita ko yung mga napili kong flowers, I don't think it's gonna be magandang arrangement. Hindi ako nag-expect na magiging maganda siya. Then, pinapili niya ako ng card. It says, it's all good. Everything is figure outable. Okay, good morning everyone. So for today's agenda, we're just gonna go to LPU, which is my alma mater. Ang agenda ko dun is to get my graduation picture and my alumni ID. And also, I don't know if may other agenda ba ako. Most probably, magpapa-treatment ako ng hair ko. And let's see what else ang gagawin natin for today. Okay, so nag-base lang ako. I think this is gonna be a perfect top for this bag na ipapakita ko sa inyo. So, I'm so excited to share this to you guys kasi I've been dreaming to get a bag or anything from this luxury brand. And here it is. Yeah, I bought something in Louis Vuitton. And I am so proud of myself na nakabili na ako sa Louis Vuitton. It's really a big achievement for me. And it's another small bag. It's so small, guys. Sobrang small niya. And here it is. Yeah. If you guys can see, may mga film pa siya dito. So, I don't know if tatanggalin ko siya para hindi siya magasgasan. So, kasi I'm the type of person na sobrang, ewan ko, balagbag sa mga gamit. And, this is how you open it. Yeah. Ito yung zipper. Don't worry. Kasi meron siyang for shoulders. Shoulder bag, crossbody, I guess. Yeah. So, most probably, hindi ko to magagamit or maybe in the future. So yun lang talaga yung reason kasi unti-unti ko tinutupad yung dream ko na mabili ko na yung mga gusto ko without any hesitation na
wala lang pusa yung pop-pop. Sobrang probinsyano. Ha? Sobrang probinsyano. Pali-pali. Dali ako may pusa pa. Gusto ko ng pusa. Ako yung magpipicture sa pusa.
Ilag tayo. Oh guys.
Galing po kami Marinduque.
Wala na. Gusto ko nang may pusa. Yung anggulo ko kasi dito eh, kaya di ako gumagalaw. The mean girl.
Girl?
Girl.
Ganun ba yun?
1.5 na. Tawa ka, tawa ka.
Okay, I'll cut to the chase, guys. So for today, it's going to be a little special because we're gonna go to Binyag, and it's also yung last piece na ipapakita ko sa inyo na nabili ko from States. So without further ado, here it is. I got a Loewe and this bag. I've been eyeing this piece ever since na lumabas to. So I got their iconic puzzle bag in the Featherlight, guys. Look at this piece. See that? So sobrang slouchy niya. Ganito ko lang siya bibit-bitin since malaki-laki din siya. I got this, I think this is the small one or medium. Meron silang mini, so pero naisip ko meron na akong maliliit na bag. So I tried the bigger, a little bigger. Mas okay siya kasi mas madami siyang malalagay. And yeah. Before, it was just my dream to actually buy myself ng mga ganito, but right now I get to have it na, and it's all about hard work talaga and patience. I actually waited for years to actually buy these things talaga. Like I literally had to invest first in my future and for these things talaga. Kasi aminin man natin sa hindi, it was one of our greatest dream na we can afford this na. And hopefully to everyone who's been watching this na someday makabili na rin tayo ng mga gusto nating, yung mga dream pa lang natin before, na mabili na natin siya ngayon or sooner. Not if not now, maybe sooner. So yeah, just keep on trying. I would say hindi masamang mangarap. So like perfect yung mga decisions ko. Sometimes like wag ko muna bilhin to, and parang may times na sinasabi na nga ng mga friends ko na kuripot ako. But sometimes we have to be kuripot for us to achieve the dream natin before. And here it is. I would say bunga ng paghihirap at kakuriputan ko. And yeah. So I'm actually late na, no oras na, so I have to go na rin, guys. So don't worry, I'll keep you updated and see you on my next vlog. Kasi most probably I won't be able to talk to you guys after this. So see you guys on the next vlog. Keep you posted for what's gonna happen sa Binyag. See you.